Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you're getting if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F100 error code. So this is a rare error code. Hopefully you won't get it. It's going to be difficult to deal with. You'll probably need to have a technician to come out and diagnose it and repair it, because what this error code is a internal communication error with the IK6, and where that's actually coming from is going to be frankly hard to figure out. The only thing that I would suggest you do before calling a technician is that whenever you get these weird electronic error codes, one thing you can always do with your machine is to just do a hard restart on it. Just like your computer that's kind of acting up and you're not sure why. A lot of times just doing a restart will get things running again. So if you just turn your machine off, unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, then wait a full minute, plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. And so hopefully it does, and if not, like I said, you're probably going to need to call a technician to come and figure out what's going on with the machine. But anyways, hopefully this video at least helped you figure out what's going on. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.